Welcome. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate Find a Grave's ability to share the lineage and view the tombstones. For this example, let's look at Ray Baker and his father Ward Simon Pack Baker, Joseph Simon Baker and Mercy Young, Benjamin and Rebecca Thorne, Benjamin Baker III, the deacon, Hannah Tucker, Benjamin Baker, Mary Sherman, Benjamin and Mary Hull, Reverend Thomas Baker, who was the last known in most of the genealogical books, William Baker and Mary Everston, but the Reverend Thomas Baker is the last one that we have any clues about, and not all of them are represented in Find a Grave. So of course we all know Ray, Dad's, is in Teton, Newdale, as is his father, Ward Bassett. And his father, Simon Pack Baker, and we have no picture of the stone in this Find a Grave. Then we're in Minden, Cache County for Simon Pack Baker's father, Joseph Baker. And if somebody gets there, it'd be good to get a new stone. Simon Baker in Cache County also. And we need a research to figure out the Baker Genealogical Society. Who's in that, if there is one still, if we can continue that. Benjamin Baker, his father, born in Massachusetts, died in New York. A little work needs to be done to rotate the statue. His father, Deacon Benjamin Baker, born in Rhode Island, died in 1828. I would assume in Massachusetts because that was the cemetery. For many of these, I just clicked on the hyperlink. When I got to Joseph, I had to do a little more research. And then for the people beyond, we need to do more research to find them. But we did find in Billion Graves, there is a tombstone that lists our Thomas Baker. And the tombstone is a shared genealogical stone that someone has put up for a couple born in the 20s, so it's possible that this photo may be out of date now. But if you look, here is our Thomas, and with Mary Hull, and not the same people, but I haven't researched carefully. So that's another research project that we need to look into to see how we compare, find out who has placed this stone, if we can share genealogy, and figure out their trek to the state of Washington and understand this cemetery a little more. Grand Army of the Republic. So that was interesting. So as I mentioned, I clicked on the hyperlinks within each Find a Grave tribute memorial and worked my way back, except with Simon Pack Baker. On his father's, he is not listed. They've omitted him. So that was something that I could improve on the records. I can either click on this individual's name and get their email information and send them information saying, hey, you missed my relative. Or most people would rather that you click on the edit box and do an addition or suggestion and do detailed notes with their number on it, because each record has a memorial number, as does each contributor. This person has a number associated with their name, and so there it is there. So if we go to that person, I copy this whole thing so that there's no question. Usually I'm commenting that I found duplicates, that someone came in 2009 and then in 2014 the name of the cemetery changed slightly, or the place location, and now there's 2 duplicates for a person. And people are wonderful to get back on responding. So there's some research that we need. The next step is to map the Baker line and the wives lines in a map, which Billiongrave does have a map, but I haven't figured that one out. And I know I've done it before, so stay tuned for more videos, and please add suggestions and new tips that you would like me to explore. Thank you.